Alrighty, today we're going to make a Cauli-occoli Bake. Probably using a tray that's too big, but it's all I've got. Alrighty, now we're just going to get our cream and we're just going to pour it over till it's nice and covered. Like so. Now we're just going to give that a bit of a stir, make sure that we've got a good cream coating on all of our little pieces. Again, just sort of make sure that it's all sitting flat. You don't want any bits sticking up. Again, smaller container would have been better for this. Now we'll just throw a little bit of cheese in there. Don't go overboard at this stage. This is just to give it a bit of body. A bit more than that. Same again. Get that cheese mixed all the way through there. Now, to give our bake a nice crunchy coating, we're just going to grab some chips and throw a layer of chips on the top. Alrighty, now I've just lightly crushed the chippies over there, so you know, not eating full-size chips on our fork. So now what we'll do is we'll throw our layer of cheese on the top and stick it in the oven. Now, in my opinion, you can't have too much cheese. I've just done a combination of mozzarella and tasty. That's ready to go in the oven, uncovered, for about 20 minutes to half an hour. Alright, so 15-minute mark. The cauliflower bake's coming along nicely. We'll just pop that back in there. And our bake is coming along well.
Honey, this is one heck of a meal.
Is it edible?
Oh, completely. I've already had some. Burnt the crap out of my mouth.
Dad,
You like steak.
what did you do to it?
Porterhouse steak with salt shake on it.
Oh, so maybe I didn't need to put more salt on it.
Oh, I did the same as you.